So loaded HDAT2 off the USB. To get in, you just put HDAT2 _76. It's going to detect the drives. So I'm going to go into this tuber one, and if you want to get rid of bad sectors, you want to be going into device tests. So you can detect and fix bad sectors menu. So there you go, fix with read and write, or fix with read, write, read. You can also refresh sectors. Say you've got some valuable information on a disk, they say to refresh the sectors every 3 years, say. So that's going to pull everything up and rewrite it back. Oh, I've just set it off. Never mind, there's nothing on this disk, so I can stop it. I'll go back in there. So you go to the device test menus, detect and fix, and then just select whichever ones you want. Me, I'd probably go for that one. Read, write and read. It's going to take longer because it's got 3 tests, but so we'll set it off. You have to press O to overwrite and then it'll go. 14 hours. So I'll see you tomorrow.